wondering, pinalabas ba rito yung A Very Special Love? You Changed My Life? Anyway, yun po, maraming salamat sa lahat po ng nanood na nanonood namin. Yung Betty kasi, I'm not sure kung napapalabas nito, I guess. Ha? Hindi pwede, no? Pero yung iba rito, especially yung mga lovers, may mga yung Betty, ako yung everyday taping, shooting, taping. Ngayon siya naman, everyday she'll be shooting the film. So, sana ipakita natin ang support natin kay Betty. I mean, kay Bea, kay Sam, kay Derek. And you, Brian, that you will surely love.
Miguel, he used to be a model.
Also, yung mga lahat ng sumuporta sa You Changed My Life, yung pinaka-recent movie namin ni Sarah, and watch out for the third installment. Baka meron pa. Sexy ako? Are you kidding me? You calling me sexy? This is not sexy, this is gorgeous. Yung sexy, binibigay ko na yan kay Sam, kay Piolo, with their abs. You know, pagkakayakap ko na yung mga yan. Din ko yun. Pagkakayakap ko yung mga gandang tipo. This is the body you should experience.
No! Mama Robert should be here.
Payakap? Magkano po yung ticket na binayaran niyo? It's too bad I can't see your faces eh, pero magkano po yung ticket na binayaran niyo?
How much the ticket is paid?
Yung babae pa next natin ng payakap. Like, let's hear, magkano po? 125. Kung gusto nyo nang yakap, your session ngayon. Ayaw mo ba, ibigay ko sa'yo yung